Ladies and gentlemen, this is Azan RS Auto. Today I'll be working on a 2070 Hyundai Sonata. The customer have this key, the multi-fob is bad. You can actually turn the car. You can start the car. So what he wanted a spare key. He wanted that key fob, the casing changed. You can see this is the casing. I have to change the casing for this. And want a spare key also done. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to program the remote. When I'm done, I can go and cut the key, cut the plate. This particular car does not use an immobilizer, so we will not need to do any programming other than programming the remote. So I just want to show us how to program the remote for the 2017. This is Azan RS Auto. Today I'm going to add remote to this car. The car does not use immobilizer. I changed the casing for this, while this is a new key. So just want to add the remote because it doesn't have immobilizer, just to add the remote. So I'm going to turn on the ignition. This was the key that I changed the casing. So the ignition is on, the VIN has been read. So turn the ignition off. Press the unlock button. Want to program the next one? Yes. Press the unlock button. So want to program another one? No. So we are done. Lock. But this is the old key. One of the buttons are bad, but it can actually unlock, but it doesn't lock. So this is Azan RS Auto. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you for watching.